Hey everyone, in today's video I'll guide you on how to convert USDT to BNB in Binance. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your device. Once you're in, tap the Binance icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, select the Convert option from the menu. This will take you to the conversion page. In the From field, choose USDT. Then, in the To field, select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to convert to. Now, enter the amount of USDT you'd like to convert. Binance will automatically display how much BNB you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. Once you've entered the amount, click on Preview Conversion. If everything looks good, simply tap on Convert. And that's it. And that's how you convert USDT to BNB in Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.